Okay, we're on page 23 in the white packet where we're doing division of complex numbers. Here's the procedure. You look at the denominator and you see that it has 1 minus I. You multiply top and bottom by its conjugate, 1 plus I. Here's why. In the denominator, when you FOIL, you'll get 1 times 1, which is 1. On the outside, you'll have positive 1i. On the inside, you'll have negative 1i. Those will cancel. So you have positive 1i, negative 1i, and they will cancel each other out and become 0. So the middle, the imaginary part, goes away. When you do last times last, you'll have negative 1i squared. We've been discussing how I squared is the same as negative 1. So the denominator is actually 1 minus negative 1, which is 1 plus 1, or 2. So it turns this complex denominator into the real number 2. The numerator will be found by FOILing. First, outside, inside, last. First times first is 7. Outside, 7i. Inside, 2i. And last, you'd have positive 2i squared. Again, significant. The I squared is negative 1. So what happens here is it turns this into minus 2. So we have 7 minus 2, which is 5. And then in here we have 7i plus 2i, which is 9i. That's almost our final answer, except we traditionally split up the complex number into 2 parts. The 5 divided by 2 plus the 9 divided by 2i. Sometimes you'll see it written as a decimal. 5 halves is 2.5. 9 halves is 4.5i. So that's what we get with the division of complex numbers. Go ahead and try B, C, and D, and we'll take a look at them in class.